Step number 11 kind of slows things down a bit. At this point, you need to be available and ready to react if anyone needs any kind of information from you. Typically, this will involve the lender and their underwriter reviewing all of your financial records. If they ask for anything, as silly as it sounds, do your best to get them the information, as time is of the essence. Any delay in getting requested information to the party requesting it slows everyone down and could cause you to default on the contract. There is a reason. Don't question it. Just do it. Also, you will hear from the closing attorney, mostly looking for contact information. They will also be working with the seller to gather loan payoff information for their current property and doing a title search to make sure the current owner and many past owners have clear chain of title to the property. Also, just to note that the attorney represents the lender in this transaction, not the buyer or the seller. You do have the right to legal counsel, but it is typically not required, as state and federal law dictates a lot of the things that are happening.